If you get completely overwhelmed by a 10-step skincare routine and you're tired of dropping a ton of money on serums only to see zero results, you need to look at this lineup. This was gifted to me from the brand to share with you. This is Good Molecules is fantastic. This is a 6-piece complete skincare bundle. All of it together, not gonna break the bank. And the first thing I noticed is this totally transparent brand. What I love about them is on the packages, they tell you exactly what the ingredients are. Like there's no baloney here. They get straight to the point, and so they don't hide anything. First of all, we have the Hydrating Facial Cleanser Gel. So you might be asking, is this gentle enough for sensitive skin? I have super sensitive skin. Yes. The routine starts with their Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel, which lifts away the dirt, takes away the makeup. It doesn't strip your skin moisture barrier either. Next, we're going to go to the Niacinamide Brightening Toner, and that is formulated with 3% niacinamide to target the uneven skin tone with dullness. And then you're gonna lock in a instant hydration with their lightweight hyaluronic acid serum, which plumps up the skin beautifully without leaving a single drop of sticky, greasy residue. Now, that leads into our second question. Does this bundle include Target anti-aging solutions? Yes, I'm in my 40s. I've got to have some of that. And so what we're looking at here is the Wake Up Eye Gel. So it has natural caffeine in it to instantly depuff under those tired eyes. It's for your nighttime care. You get the gentle retinol cream, and that is formulated with 1% retinol to smooth those fine lines and textures without the harsh irritation. Now, another question, number 3, is how does all of this sit under makeup? So it's great. It's super lightweight. The moisturizer is really velvety and it's not thick and heavy. It's perfect to put under your makeup, your sunscreens, to layer it. So stop dropping hundreds of dollars on way overpriced skincare. Look at how beautiful this set is. You can get it easily, get what you need, and go on your way to having beautiful skin.